In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to stop Messenger app from opening on startup in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together, and in that way you'd be able to open the Task Manager. Here at the Task Manager, you need to navigate in this left pane and locate with Startup Apps. And here you need to find the Messenger. In my case, I don't have any, but if you do, all you need to do is you need to disable that. So let's say, for example, this is your Messenger. Make a right click and click on Disabled. And once you have changed the status into Disabled, you need to close the window and proceed to the second step. Now, before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up to be updated for our upcoming tutorials. Okay, we would really appreciate your support. So by that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on run. You can also press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you'd be able to bring this one. So please type for shell colon startup, SHELL colon startup, STARTUP, and click on the OK button. In a few seconds, you'll be navigated in this window. So here you need to find your messenger. I'm sure you have it. I mean, you'll be able to see that. Okay, you'll be able to see that. All you need to do is you need to select it and go with the trash bin icon, or either press shift to delete key in your keyboard, and then that way you'll be able to delete that here, or you need to I mean you'll be able to remove that here at the startup. Once you are good, close the window and restart your computer. The moment you will relaunch your Windows again, you won't be able to open the Messenger app after, or the moment you will start your computer. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.